Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a topic that's causing a lot of concern. Trump's new travel ban and its impact on Afghans and Pakistanis. Stick around to get all the details and understand how this could affect thousands of lives. Alright, let's jump right in. President Trump is expected to issue a new travel ban as early as next week. This ban is part of a broader immigration crackdown and is specifically targeting Afghans and Pakistanis. Now, this isn't entirely out of the blue. It follows a January 20th executive order that froze refugee admissions and foreign aid for 90 days. So what exactly does this mean? First off, the State Department is currently reviewing all visa programs. This could lead to a list of countries deemed to have insufficient vetting procedures, and it looks like Afghanistan and Pakistan are at the top of that list. For Afghans, this is particularly troubling. Imagine working for the US government during its 20-year war in Afghanistan, risking your life, and now being told you can't enter the country. Over 200,000 Afghans have been approved for US resettlement, but nearly 20,000 are currently stranded in Pakistan due to visa delays. The US State Department is seeking an exemption for Special Immigrant Visa holders, but there's no guarantee it will be approved. Human rights groups and resettlement organizations, including #AfghaniVac, are urging Afghans with valid visas to travel immediately before the ban takes effect. Now let's talk about Pakistan. Pakistan's inclusion in the possible travel ban is raising a lot of eyebrows. The country has been dealing with increased security challenges, including militant attacks. Trump's previous policies targeted countries seen as national security threats, and Pakistan might now fall into this category. Thousands of Pakistanis who travel to the US for work, study, or family reunification could be affected. This decision is based on rising instability in Pakistan and US intelligence concerns over cross-border militant activities. Historically, this isn't Trump's first travel ban. Remember the 2017 ban that targeted 7 Muslim-majority countries? It faced multiple legal challenges, but was eventually upheld by the Supreme Court in 2018. President Biden reversed it in 2021, but now, Trump's return to office marks a renewed push for strict immigration policies. Let's hear from some experts and organizations. Sean Vandiver, head of #AfghaniVac, warns that a new travel restriction could be implemented within the next week, significantly impacting Afghan visa holders awaiting relocation. Immigration lawyers are gearing up for major legal challenges against this ban, similar to those in 2017. Meanwhile, Trump's supporters argue that the ban is necessary to protect national security and prevent potential threats from entering the country. So what happens next? If this ban is officially announced next week, here's what we can expect. Immediate impact on visa approvals and travel plans for Afghans and Pakistanis. Possible legal challenges against the policy. Increased diplomatic tensions between the US and affected nations. For the Biden administration and US politics, this means strong opposition from Democrats and immigration advocates, legal battles that could determine the fate of thousands, and a key issue in upcoming political debates. With no official announcement yet, those affected are advised to stay informed and take action as soon as possible. What are your thoughts on this new travel ban? Do you think it's justified for security reasons, or is it an unfair restriction? Let me know in the comments below. Subscribe to the channel for the latest updates on global politics, current affairs, and news that impacts the immigrant community. Like and share this video to spread awareness. Turn on notifications so you never miss important updates. Stay informed, stay aware, and I'll see you in the next video.